Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from ArtistryinCards, and I am the owner of Jessica Lynn Original Studios. And I did some shopping, and I need to show you everything that I got from scrapbooking.com. I am working on, oh, it's a little blurry. It's mysterious for you guys. Let's see if I can get my camera to wake up here. Wake up, camera. Thank you. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. I did a huge order run. I have been just Oh, I got one more thing. Where is it over here? Did I put it away? Oh, there he is. All right, so I got a whole bunch of things. I'm super excited to show you. I think sometimes it's kind of fun also to see what people have purchased. Everything I'm going to show you today, this is, like I said, my stamp haul. So let me zoom in a little bit here. I'm going to just bring my camera down. Ooh, all right. A little bit closer to the projects. All right, so for those of you that are brand new, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner artist of a website called JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I draw all of the art at my rubber stamp store. I do red rubber stamps, self-inking, as well as photopolymer and digital. So be sure to head over there. Support small business, please. Right now, we are all going through a whole lot of craziness in our country, and it would be really wonderful if you would please support the small businesses as well. Um, Obviously, we don't get big box type of customers, so supporting small businesses definitely helps. And that includes all of my other companies I'm going to show you today. So be sure to stop at jessicalynoriginal.com. Second, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is just Artistry in Cards. Now you might say, Jess, why are there two different names? So Jessica Lynn Original Studio, or Jessica Lynn Original, is my rubber stamp company, and I decided to change my YouTube channel, and I decided to change it to Artistry in Cards. Now, the reason I did that is because I don't want people to think that all I just do is show off my stamps, because I don't. I absolutely love Waffle Flower, Lawn Fawn, Cat Scrappiness. I love all of these people. I think that it's wonderful to show off other companies' stamps and art. And as an artist myself, I get so, I call it artist block, writer's block, whatever you want to call it, same thing. And it's fun for me to then to be creative with other people's product as well. So Artistry in Cards really is all about being able to showcase not only my own rubber stamps, but also anybody else's and be creative. So that's why I have two different company names. So please go ahead and subscribe here at Artistry in Cards. It means a lot. I am so close, like inches, right? Away from the finish line of being able to offer you some really cool stuff here at Artistry in Cards. So please go ahead and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and then don't forget to watch my videos. I need just minimal hours left, so please go ahead and do that. It means the world to me, and I cannot wait to be able to showcase some new stuff. So without further ado, I will hide that. And let's go ahead and take a look at my fun order from Waffle Flower. So obviously this video is not going to be like 45 minutes or anything like that. I mean, unless you have a lot to talk to me about. But I want to show some of the things I've gotten. Now, this I did not get at scrapbook.com. I actually wanted to share. Obviously, we all know that there is the store that will not be named, Joanne, and they are closing. And I went on the very last day of February, so on the 28th, and they were still allowing their coupons. So I was so excited. I ended up getting a bunch of Distress Oxide, and they were 25% off. Plus, I had $10 off if I hit over a certain amount. So it really made it worth it. So I bought a whole bunch of new colors, but this is my new favorite color. I did not have purple. I have pretty much every other shade of the rainbow, but I was really excited because I did not have purple. And now I have wilted violet. So there it is. Joann's right now isn't having the best sales. To be very honest, I think that they had better sales prior to this, which is kind of a bummer. Um, but and I'm totally bummed that they are closing because they were my I need to make something for my kids. I just want to be able to touch the fabric, see it. So what I'm really hoping is that a new company is born out of Joann's and somebody opens up a fabric store or something. I think that would be absolutely amazing. because I think especially with fabric stuff, you need to touch that stuff. Sometimes you need to get yourself involved in the fabric to see if it's actually going to craft the way you want it to. So, or to know the scale of the pattern, how it would go on yours, stuff like that. So, these are all from scrapbook.com. So I got the Jolly Smooth stock, and it's 5 colors of each of these. These are a little darker, but again, beautiful colors. I really like them. Nice variety, and they fit really well. They're perfect card size. So for me, when I make a card, this is like the perfect size. I can just put it right on the top. So that's one thing. You saw it in my last video. Where did I just put it? Oh, I put it over here. Sorry about that. I also got this one. So this one's a little bigger. I like the other size better. These are 6x8, but I prefer this size. But I like the colors a lot. So I thought they were really pretty perfect. So we'll just put that over there. So some fun little cardstock solids. The next thing I got, now these are all not brand new, but anyway. So I got this set from Waffle Flower. It is the 420491, the Happy Birthday Sentiments. I absolutely love this. Now, it did come with a die cut, but I didn't choose to purchase that. For me, I don't need it. I've got the Brother Scan and Cut. And for any of the birthday sentiments, I usually find myself cutting out shapes and then putting them on there. Now, I did already use this one in my video that I just made, but a couple of things to point out. Love the fact it's made here in the USA. Love the bright, happy packaging. Super cute. I love that they have just some quick information on the back. Really like this sentiment set. I make a lot of birthday cards, and so I was like, this is a no-brainer for me. I need to be able to show that off. So now, for those of you who know me, you're going to say, Jess, you already own this. And I'm going to say, you are totally right. But you know what? Okay. So how many of you, now I want to see it in the comments, right? Like, are you the person who is just like me, who goes to the store, tries on a shirt and says, oh, I love this. I need to buy it in every color. Because if I don't, I'm going to want more, right? I'm going to want more of this shirt. I literally do that. I have a bunch of V-neck shirts that I wear that I have it in like 4 different colors because I just love the way they're cut, the fabric, the way they fit. I have a bunch of sweaters. I have like these pants that I wear. They're like cargo pants. They're super cute. And I put them on and I went, oh, they fit great. Yeah, I need 2 more of those. So I bought it in gray and black. So I know you're going to say, Jessica, what are you doing? And I'm going to say, okay, like I'm slightly obsessed. Okay. Like I'm slightly obsessed. I love the postage stamp. It means so much to me. And multiple times, see here's the one I've been using, right? So here's the thing. Multiple times I have been like, ooh, what if I lose this? Ooh, what if I this? Ooh, what if I that? So I've had these moments where I get slightly scared. I know, it sounds silly and stupid. But it's what I do, right? It's one of those, I have fallen in love with this die cut and this stamp set. Now, do I need a bunch of the other ones? I don't know. But I can tell you, I feel so creative. And I think it has just been, I don't know. I love it. Now, for those of you who know me, see, here's my other one. See, look, there's that 50 cent. Like, literally, that's all I need to make myself is a 50-cent stamp because I don't use the other ones. But I had this crazy dream the other day that I lost them. And I was like, oh my gosh, what if I lose a bunch of these things and then I cannot find them again? Paranoia set in, right? So when I went looking, I don't know. I mean, this one seems to still be in stock, and this one it still seems to be. But I went to scrapbookstore.com and they had this at a very large discount. And I said, you know what? I'm buying another one. And I did. So, Waffle Flower, please know, I liked this one so much. I didn't just buy it once, I bought it twice because I don't want to get to a point where I can't find my little 50-cent stamp or that I can't find this and use it. Because I'm going to be honest, it's my favorite. I've had so much fun with it. I think for some reason, creating the little compartmental areas of the card I don't know. There's something about it. So, Waffle Flower, thank you for doing this one. I think it's fabulous, and I bought it again. So now I have a backup set. Yay! I also bought some Lawn Fawn. I love these little critters, and not to mention, so of course, what am I thinking? Ooh, how could these go in here? So of course, like I think these would be, I think the Lawn Fawn little sets make such perfect little stamps. So there they are, cute little Thanksgiving mice. Now I know we're not at Thanksgiving; it was on sale. I thought it was cute. Now this is an oldie, but one of my total favorites. I really like you. There was actually a oh, I don't remember what the cartoon was, but back in the 90s there was actually a cartoon where it had the hamster on the wheel and it said, I need to run, burn, 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 or something like that. And it was a silly cartoon. And it looked just like that. So when I see this, I'm just like that little hamster. I literally picture like the hamster dance. Like I want to, anyway. And then Easter is a coming. So I thought, you know what? I love these little rabbits. And again, I thought this would make a really great little Easter card. Let me see if you can see it. Come on, camera. Do your thing. There you go. So I got this too. And again, I figured, I like the waffle flower. So I thought, you know what, let's try this one. So I have Make a Wish. I love the Wish movie, Disney's with the star. So I was actually going to try and make a card with that. So that's coming soon. And then I already opened this one up because I was working on some stuff for a coffee lovers blog hop idea I had. So this is just a coffee die cut set. So love that. I do have a brother scan and cut, but I will be honest, Waffle Flower, you are winning me over. I don't like to cut my die cuts apart, and so these are already cut and they're on a magnetic thing. So I mean, points, right? I don't know why that one's out. Oh, because I had opened it and I want to show it to you since I just got it. Got to put that one back in his bag. Another thing I bought because I want to try this. For the postage stamps, I got the black stencil. So I have some ideas. So we'll see how that goes. But there it is. I also did figure out this same pattern on a Word doc. So I created a card. Let me show you really quick. For International Women's Day, I actually created this card. These are digitals. So what I did was I created a Word document and put these all on there, added my sentiment. So I actually printed all of those on there. And then I went through, colored them in, did the background, and then had added my signature on there. So I think it's super cute. And then on the back, I just signed it. But yeah, so again, basically this, but I did it on a Word doc. So I think that is so adorable. Finally, the last thing I bought, I wanted some ticket stamps. I'm a little sad. I thought they were going to be bigger. So they're tiny tickets. I was really hoping they were going to be like regular full-size tickets. But this is what I'm talking about. This is just me being a brat because of my brother's scan and cut. Scan and cut. I don't like cutting them apart. I just don't. I don't know. I'm always afraid I'm going to break them or wreck them or something. But you can see like these are still attached together. Do you see that? So I'm not really a fan of that. I like it when they come already separated. But this is called Raffle Tickets. It's by Lawn Fawn. Again, I was hoping it would be a little bigger. They're kind of small, so I got to think about how I want to use them. I mean, card-wise, I think they'll be great. I had thought of a different purpose for them, not necessarily making a card. So, I mean, for a card, they work out really well. So, but yeah, so this is my new haul of fun stuff. Again, this is why I started Artistry and Cards, because I want to be able to show off, not just my stamps, but I want to show off other people's stamps. I want to be creative and crafty and just play around and just see what we create. So I hope that this inspired you. If you have any questions, toss them down below. Don't forget to go ahead and please, please, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. It is just Artistry and Cards. And then please head on over to my rubber stamp store, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I want to wish you all a great day. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. I'll pop up 2 more videos for you to take a look at, and I'll see you soon. Take care, everybody.